Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay. We are by Lilliput in Montego Bay, or St. James I should say. Now this property that we're looking at the bottom of the screen where you see all the trees, this is where the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is going to be built. The hotel at the top of the screen is Iberostar. So this hotel, Hard Rock, is going to be built between the Iberostar Hotel and the Unico Hotel, which is under construction. Now, a lot is happening out here. So people can get confused. We have even been confused about some other developments out here. But this is where the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is going to be. And look at this beach. Beautiful. This entire stretch is going to have some of the largest hotels in Jamaica. You have Iberostar, which we just showed you. This is going to be the Hard Rock. And then coming into view is going to be the Unico. And then beside the Unico is going to be... That's the Unico there now. And that road is a Northern Coastal Highway. And beside the Unico is going to be Moon Palace. Now, Moon Palace is going to be 1,350 rooms. The Unico it started at 450, but I think they have expanded it to 550. And Iberostar, I'm not sure how many rooms, but it's a massive hotel. And Hard Rock is going to have 1,000 rooms. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening with the Hard Rock Hotel. Now, this land space might look small, but look at where the Unico is straight ahead. The space for the Hard Rock is practically the same size, and the Unico is huge. But the Hard Rock is going to be a taller hotel. It's not going to be as spread out. It's going to go taller. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Montego Bay is one of the largest tourism projects ever undertaken on the island. Located in the Rose Hall Corridor, a prime stretch of coastline already home to major resorts, the development is designed to transform Jamaica's hospitality industry by introducing the country's first integrated casino resort. The site was chosen carefully. Rose Hall is close to Sangster International Airport and has long been a high-value tourism zone. By declaring the area Jamaica's first official casino zone, the government has laid the groundwork for the international investment. Partnering with PAM Hotels, Hard Rock International is bringing its global recognized brand to Jamaica, combining luxury, entertainment, and gaming into a single property. The scale of the project is impressive. The resort will initially feature around 1,000 hotel rooms with the capacity to expand further in the future. It will include a full-scale casino, multiple restaurants, entertainment venues, and conference facilities, making it more than a vacation spot. It will be a complete lifestyle and leisure hub. The total investment, estimated at over US $1 billion, reflects the ambition behind the project and its importance to Jamaica's long-term tourism growth. Beyond economics, the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino signals a new chapter in Jamaica's tourism strategy. The island is famous for its beaches, reggae culture, and all-inclusive resorts, but the addition of gaming and large-scale entertainment diversifies its appeal. The resort is expected to attract not only traditional vacationers, but also conference groups and tourists seeking nightlife and unique experiences. In short, the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is more than just another resort. It is a transformative project that promises to create jobs, attract investment, and reshape Jamaica's image as a world-class tourism destination. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think about this location. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.